Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will be covering what is hierarchical switching. Guys, I have uploaded complete computer network subject tutorials. I will provide that link in description. You can watch from there. If you are watching this video for the first time, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Let's get started. Guys, hierarchical switching means arranging switches in layers to make network easy to manage. So we can add more devices easily without any issues. So adding device will be fast. Yes, normally hierarchical switching model is used in larger organizations and campuses like colleges, universities, etc. And there are three layers in hierarchical switching. The first one is access layer. Yes, access layer is bottom layer, and this access layer can have one or more switches. And these switches are connected to end devices like computers, printers, etc. For example, if you consider your college, in your college, if you consider college lab, in lab, all computers are connected to one switch. We call that switch as access layer switch. This is diagram. For example, in our college there are 4 floors. Each floor contains computer lab. In that computer lab, each and every computer is connected to one main switch. We call that switch as access layer switch, as it is connected to end devices like computers and printers. And second layer is distribution layer. We also call it as middle layer. Distribution layer also contains one or more switches. So all switches in the access layer are connected to distribution layer switch. So this middle layer switch is used to manage traffic. Distribution layer switches will send data to core layer switch. This is example. All access layer switches are connected to distribution layer switches. There can be one or more switches in distribution layer. All access layer switches are connected to distribution layer switches. In case if there is high traffic, distribution layer switches will manage the traffic, and whereas distribution layer switches will send data to core layer switch. Core layer switch is nothing but one main switch which is connected to network. So core layer is top layer switch. This core switch is connected to network. This core switch will send data very fast between buildings and departments, and we can connect the switch to other networks. So these are three layers in hierarchical switching. These are advantages of hierarchical switching. First one is easy to manage. As we are not storing complete switches in single layer, we are dividing switches into multiple layers, which is very easy to manage. And second one is scalable. Yes, scalable means we can add more devices easily. And third one is fast performance. In hierarchical switching, we will divide all switches into layers, so performance will be very fast, and this design is also better.